Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by securing your data and power. Backup documents, photos, and license keys to an external drive or cloud so you can restore them later. Once done, plug the HP into AC power and confirm Wi-Fi credentials and your Microsoft account sign-in. These will be needed post-reset. Now open Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Recovery to start. Make sure to choose between reset keeping files or removing everything. This choice determines how much cleanup the system will perform. You now execute the reset. When prompted, pick Keep My Files if you want personal files preserved, or remove everything for a full clean. Next, choose Cloud Download to fetch fresh Windows 11, about 4 GB, or local reinstall to use the files on your device. Cloud can fix corrupted images. Confirm choices and click Reset. This will restart the laptop and perform automated steps that remove apps and restore default settings. Be patient while progress reaches 100%. You finish by completing Windows out-of-box experience. Set region, connect Wi-Fi, and sign into your Microsoft account so settings sync. Once at desktop, run Windows Update and HP Support Assistant to restore drivers, then reinstall apps from your backup. If the reset fails or the system won't boot, create a USB recovery drive from another Windows 11 PC and boot the HP from USB to run recovery tools. This often repairs corrupted startup files and lets you retry the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.